Jai Hind everybody. So today I will teach you the constructions of tangents to a circle. This is question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. For this, let's look here. First we will draw this circle. With center O. First step is this. We will draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Construction steps. What is the first step? Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter with center O. Take a point P outside the circle such that OP should be 10 centimeter and join OP. Now what will we do? We will take any point P which will be 10 centimeter away from center of the circle. Suppose this is the point P. Take a point P outside the circle such that OP is equal to 10 centimeter and join OP, and we will join this. Now in the next step, step number 3. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP to find the midpoint M of OP. Now what we will do in the next step? We will find the midpoint M of this OP after constructing its perpendicular bisector. So just look here how we will construct that. We will put the compass here and more than half radius we will cut off an arc here. Just look here in this way. Just look the arcs. These are the arcs, and we'll join this. This is the Is it there? And this is point M. We will find the midpoint M. Is it okay? Now we will take M as a center and the radius is equal to OM or MP. We will construct a circle. In this way, we will construct the circle. Is it okay? And just look at this circle. This intersects the given circle as 2 points. Is it not? One point is this, and one point is this. That these are the points A and B. A and B. And then we will join AP and BP. So what was our next step? Step number 4. Taking M as a center and radius is equal to how much? Either you take OM or PM, radius MO or MP. Taking M as a center and radius MO or MP, draw a circle. We will draw this circle. To intersect the given circle. Given circle at two distinct points, capital A and capital B. What we are doing in step number 4, taking M as a center and we will draw this circle to intersect the given circle at 2 points, 2 distinct points. Distinct means different points at A and B. And in the last step, we will join PA and PB. PA and PB we will join. So just look here. Join PA and PB. PA and PB are the required tangents. This PA and PB, these are the required tangents. And finally it would ask to measure their lengths. Now measurement of PA. Measurement of PB, 8 centimeter. What should be the length of each of the tangents? Is it okay? Now just look at this question. We draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Bangle means this chudi. Take a point outside the circle and construct the pair of tangents to the circle from this point. So first, what we will do, just look at the steps. Step number 1. Draw a circle with the help of angle. Okay, this is our first step. This one. Is it there? First we will draw this circle with the help of that 2D. And just look at in this question, we don't know the center of this one. We don't know the center of this circle. So first we will find the center of this circle. And for this, we will take any 3 points on its circumference. Suppose this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Okay. Step number 2. For finding the center of this circle, take 3 points A, B and C on its circumference. Okay. And join AB and BC. AB and BC. And then step number 3. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of which one? This AB and BC. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC. So just look here. Then what we will do? We will draw the perpendicular bisector of it. How? We will take more than half radius in this way, and we will cut off the arcs. In this way, we will draw its perpendicular bisector. This angle will be 90 degrees. Is it there? And similarly, we will construct the perpendicular bisector of this one. Suppose here and here, and then we will put here this one and here they will intersect. In this way. Is it there? And we will again join them. And just look at this perpendicular bisectors. They are intersecting at any point. Let this point is O. This point is O. So this point O is the center of this circle. Is it there? Step number 4. These perpendicular bisectors of A, B and BC intersects at point O. This O is the center of circle. Is it there? This point O is the center of circle. Now, just look here. Now, this is a circle with center O. And this is a point P outside it. This was the question. Draw a circle with the help of a benzene. Take a point outside the circle and construct the pair of tangents to the circle from this point. Now we have to construct the tangents from this point P. Okay. So what we will do for that? We will first join this OP and then we will construct the perpendicular bisector of this OP and we will get the midpoint of it, and then we will draw a circle. In this way. Just same in question number 1. We will join these 2 points O and P, then we will find the midpoint M of OP, and we will draw the circle to intersect the previous circle at where 2 points. This one point is this, suppose this is point A, and this is point B. So in this way we can construct these 2 tangents. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.